Despite the sell-off today, Shiba Inu Coin seems to be doing one thing, and that is maintaining levels of support. Guys, it would be a little risky out there right now if Shiba Inu Coin was dropping, but it was breaking through new support levels. At least at the time that I'm recording this video, the 25 to 2600 point per coin range seems to be holding up just as it did a couple of days ago. And the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is just testing support levels, it is a bearish signal. But it is still very bullish that we are not breaking down through those levels. But I want to go over an article that I found that kind of breaks down the volume analysis on Shiba Inu Coin. Because, look, $1.7 billion in 24-hour volume is phenomenal. To everybody saying that SHIB is dead, that the run is over, $1.7 billion says otherwise. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, we got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin, Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Pinex. Choose one, choose all of them, whatever you want to do. Make sure you get that free cryptocurrency. But no, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges, and they're in custody of your asset. If you want to make it yours, you need to hold on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now guys, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon as well, grabbing the bro merch, grabbing the SHIB merch, literally grabbing anything off of Amazon, because you guys are burning Shiba Inu Coin by doing so. Those links down there, those are affiliate links. If you click on it, it's going to land you on a bro merch or SHIB merch store page. You don't have to buy that stuff. Scroll to the top of the page, buy whatever you want. Buy a new phone, buy a new ring light, buy a new lava lamp. Doesn't matter. You are burning Shiba Inu Coin. 1% of your purchase, it's roughly 1%. Some things are higher, some things are lower. 1% of your purchase burns SHIB. It is as easy as that. So anything and everything you would normally buy, burn SHIB. Think about all the money you spent on Amazon over the last couple of months that you could have been burning SHIB with. So very, very awesome to see everybody contributing to that, and thank you very much. Now, I do want to talk about this price action because Shiba Inu Coin coming down today, but it's setting up a little level of support right now at the 2600 point per coin mark, which is a positive sign. Okay, that's a little bit above my level of 2500 points per coin. So it's good to see traders buying the dip. On a dip that I actually expected to go a little bit lower here. Now, that does not mean that this level is guaranteed to hold up by any means, but the fact that we are still doing massive amounts of volume indicates that there's still massive amounts of interest in Shiba Inu Coin. Now, clearly, if you coincide that with the Google Trend Analytics, it was much, much greater. And guys, the volume was 10 times higher, too, on March 5th. We were doing, I believe, nearly $16 billion in a 24-hour period. Now, not only has interest dropped 90%, the volume has dropped 90% as well. So we went from $16 billion a day in trading volume to $17 billion, or 1.7, sorry, 16 down to 1.7. That's a 90% decline. Google Trend Analytics, you had a level of 100 down to a level of 10. A 90% decline. If you guys don't see the direct correlation between social media interest, price action, and volume yet, I don't know how to make it any more clear. Now, let's talk about this article here because it says we got $1.7 billion in trading volume. Are bears buying at this point? Shiba Inu Coin price predictions sees SHIB's $1.7 billion in trading volume. Now, the charts and indicators continue to look indecisive, caught between further losses and a possible recovery. And that's the problem when you're right here at a level of support and you keep bouncing off of it, right? You can't break through it, but the bounces don't last and you continue to come back down and test it. For instance, the coin's relative strength index is sliding down towards 50 again after rising to almost 70 yesterday, signaling a quick loss of momentum. This has happened to SHIB's 30-day average. This happened while SHIB's 30-day average is climbing steadily back towards the 200-day moving average, albeit without much impetus. It says if it can manage to lift over the longer-term average, this could signal a strong recovery, taking Shiba Inu Coin back to the 3,000 point per coin level. Now, it says supporting this possibility is SHIB's trading volume, which is up more than 450% over the month. Guys, we were doing roughly $170 million to $200 million a day in volume just a couple of months ago. So Shiba Inu Coin at $1.7 billion daily volume is phenomenal. It says this suggests that the demand of the token remains strong, even if it isn't quite as strong as it was in early March. It's not nearly as strong as it was in early March because it's down 90% from those levels. In other words, there's enough volume and interest to help the token recover well in the near term, with SHIB still popular among the whales. For example, the whale in the tweet above, or the post above on X, gotta give Elon Musk respect for spending $44 billion, has actually withdrawn 40.5 billion SHIB deposited on Coinbase over the last couple of weeks, indicating desire for whales to hold on to their tokens. There's a massive outflow from exchanges onto these cold storage and DeFi wallets. Now, this signals with an expectation that prices will rise again, and overall buoyancy of the market is likely to help the Shiba Inu Coin price rise to higher levels. Unfortunately, today, what we are seeing, though, is a little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin back down to $63,000, Ethereum back down to $3,300, Shiba Inu Coin back down to that 2,600 point per coin mark. As, in my opinion, traders digested the information from the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. It was a very good press conference by Jerome Powell, but now they're kind of taking profits off of those very, very brief trades that they made. It says there are various reasons to be optimistic about the direction of the overall market, including, well, there you go, including the aforementioned FOMC rate decision, with the Fed indicating that it will make rate cuts this year. 3 rate cuts this year to be exact. On top of this, the Bitcoin halving is likely to increase bullishness, and the Bitcoin ETF volumes are doing well as well. Guys, you know, aside from the current price action, I can't really think of any negative catalysts out there right now. Everything on the horizon is bullish, yet people are panicking at the moment. Don't panic. If we can make it through this pullback, if we can make it through the decline, and all of these bullish catalysts come to be, Shiba Inu Coin is going to be in a very good situation. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.